You're 35,000 feet up, but who's really flying? The common joke is that the pilots are just watching movies while the autopilot handles everything.
The modern autopilot.
While it's true that the system is active for most of your journey,
takeoff, cruise,
the idea
and
that
landing.
a modern airliner can
Reducing
fly itself
fatigue.
completely is one of aviation's
Ensuring
biggest
precision.
myths. The autopilot
A
is not
pilot's
a
most
pilot
trusted
at
partner.
all. It's an incredibly advanced computer system.
Steady as a rock.
Its job is to
Steady
manage
as
the
a rock,
aircraft's
Captain.
course, altitude, and speed with precision no human hand can match, reducing pilot fatigue on long hauls. It's engaged shortly after takeoff
But it
and
cannot
handles
see the
the dull,
unexpected.
repetitive work,
It only
allowing the
follows
human
the
crew
path
to
given.
focus on monitoring systems and making critical decisions. But here is the
It has
critical
no
part.
instinct.
The autopilot
No fear.
cannot think. It's brilliant at following programmed rules, but if an
Unforecasted
unexpected
supercell.
weather shift
It's
hits,
massive.
or if
We
a
have to
minor
divert
failure occurs
now.
that the computer wasn't taught to handle, the machine becomes
The
instantly
autopilot won't
confused.
avoid it.
The human pilot is the vital element, the one with the intuition, judgment, and experience to
And in
quickly
this moment,
override the machine and take manual control
The
when the
human
unexpected
element
happens.
becomes critical.
This crucial intervention saves lives.
Autopilot.
However, this reliance
Autopilot.
brings a hidden risk: skill degradation.
I
After
have
years of
control.
letting the machine handle the controls, pilots must train constantly to ensure they don't lose those crucial manual
Altitude
skills.
deviation, Captain.
The future
We're
of
losing
safe
it.
flight isn't
I have
about
the
eliminating the
controls.
human.
Run the emergency checklist
It's about
now.
perfecting the partnership between the pilot and the machine. Trust the technology, but always trust the humans
through the worst
monitoring
of
it
it.
more.
A machine follows orders. A pilot makes decisions. That is the hidden, vital difference.